Brno is an operational center of excellence for small dual beam and SEM microscopes, including transmission electron microscopes and XPS spectrometers.
We are basically building up on the very strong foundation of our knowledge of electron microscopy and creating new features, new technologies to expand this potential of the EM to basically deliver the complete solutions towards solving our customers' problems.
We are able to connect multiple use cases using the same technology. In most cases, we are the first on the market with specific technology, introducing correctors, introducing new cameras, introducing cryotomography.
In every aspect of our technology, we are not thinking only about microscope, only about sample preparation, only about final creation of the reconstruction. We are thinking about the complete workflow as a package, and fundamental part of that workflow is how the customer will be interacting with that workflow. We can, in the future, cure diseases which were even unknown a couple years ago. We have a strong vision with what to improve in the world with the technology which we are delivering.
The quality is key for our production of these high-tech piece of equipment that enables our customer to make work cleaner, healthier and safer. Our team of skilled engineers, supply chain experts and technicians are responsible for producing and delivering of more than 1,400 tools. We spent not only days but weeks testing and aligning our tools before they are shipped to customers. And during this testing and aligning, we are measuring and recording hundreds of values and compare them to specifications, making sure that we at the end deliver a robust, reliable product that meets all the expectations. That's why I'm so passionate working in electron microscopy for Thermo Fisher Scientific.